Shakshuka is a beloved Middle Eastern and North African dish with deep roots and a rich culinary history. Its name comes from Arabic, meaning a mixture, which perfectly describes its hearty blend of poached eggs simmered in a rich tomato sauce with peppers, onions, garlic, and warm spices like cumin and paprika. The dish is believed to have originated in North Africa, particularly in Tunisia, where it was a staple of the local Jewish and Berber communities. It later spread across the Middle East, especially to Israel, where it became a breakfast favorite and a symbol of cultural fusion brought by Jewish immigrants from North Africa. Today, shakshuka is celebrated for its simplicity, affordability, and bold flavors. It's more than a meal. It's a reflection of how culinary traditions travel, evolve, and bring people together around a bubbling pan of comfort.
Alright, food explorers, let's dive into the vibrant world of shakshuka one pan, bold flavors, and breakfast that'll make your taste buds dance. I start with a generous pour of olive oil in a big skillet over medium heat. Once it shimmers, in goes one chopped onion and a diced red bell pepper. I sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes until the kitchen starts smelling sweet and the veggies turn soft. Next up, 3 garlic cloves, minced and ready. I toss them in, followed by a teaspoon each of ground cumin and smoked paprika. I like a little heat, so I add half a teaspoon of chili flakes. The spices hit the oil and boom, fragrance city. 1 minute just enough to wake up those flavors. Now for the heart of the dish, tomatoes. You can use 6 ripe ones chopped, or take a shortcut with a big can of diced tomatoes. I pour them in, sprinkle salt and pepper, and let this simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir every now and then. The sauce thickens and the color turns a deep, gorgeous red. Here's my favorite part. I make a few little wells in the sauce and gently crack in 4 to 6 eggs. Satisfying, right? I cover the skillet and let the eggs cook for 5 to 8 minutes just until the whites are set but the yolks stay runny. Perfect for dipping. To finish, I shower on fresh cilantro, parsley, and sometimes a crumble of feta. Serve it up hot, straight from the pan with crusty bread or warm pita. There you have it, shakshuka, an Israeli classic that's as easy as it is eye-catching. Try it for brunch, lunch, or honestly, anytime you want a little adventure on your plate. Don't forget to dip and savor every bite.